Last night was my first night in Domino by myself since March, so it's been about 4 months. And I will say, like, the thought initially, like, I was nervous because it has been so long since I've been in there by myself. But last night was really nice. I didn't have on my laptop, no cartoons or anything playing in the background. I just listened to like my It's a Vibe playlist, so it was a lot of neo soul and lo-fi beats and stuff, so it was really nice. um, yeah, so first night in Dom by myself was a success, and I'm so happy. And look at this view. Right now I have coffee going in Dom. Thought I have a cute little front porch. But yeah, I have coffee going right now. I'm gonna bring out my blanket and just have coffee out on my pier. Look who showed up, guys! Gorgeous.
Maybe she.
It is so nice out here. There's Andrew, and let's see if I can find Domino. Ah, there she is. Ah, my little baby. So I wish you really could see it when the boats and everything and the jet skis come in. They like push in these gold flakes, and you see gold flakes just like shimmering in the water. It is so freaking pretty. I'm gonna try and record it, but I doubt you'll be able to see it. But you can see it. It is so pretty. Like, you really can't see the sparkle like I can. I guess it kind of looks like little flakes, but so freaking pretty. So I'm hoping when I step out, I have like this beautiful golden glow because of all the gold flakes that are in this water. So because it's so nice out, I decided to go to Domino and grab the camp stove. So basically I'm about to make lunch out here. Like, why not? Look at this view. Right? So here's camp. And I got the camp stove right here. So it's enough space. I'm just gonna make some prosciutto and Swiss on sourdough. And that's gonna be a little snack to hold me over. Okay, I just woke up from like a serious nap. Andrew has already left, and I packed up Domino to make sure she's ready for travel. She's not the neatest right now, but she's ready for travel. And I'm about to head home to get to the dogs. Andrew has Muay Thai this afternoon, and the dogs have been up for, they've been locked in the house for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home. It's like a 50-minute drive, so it should be nice. I do need gas, so I'm gonna do that too.